Hey guys, hope you're well. My name is Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. So I just want to show you a little team of AI agents I built that can surf the web, carry out customer feedback research. Essentially, it's quite helpful for if you want to see how either the internet reacts to a product of your own, or if you're thinking about building a competition to a product and you want to improve on a pre-existing product. So yeah, I've already done a CrewAI tutorial, so I do recommend you go back and watch that. But so I'll be building on that. If you've watched that, then this will be a little bit easier to understand. Um, so the first line of code is just like last time, installing CrewAI. Then installing CrewAI tools. Then this allows us to use this .env file where I've got my API keys. Allows you to pull functionality from both OpenAI, so ChatGPT model essentially, and Serper, which is an API used for surfing the internet, basically doing Google searches, that kind of thing. That obviously loads our .env file as well. Here we are importing all the functionality from Crew that we'll need: agents, tasks, crews, all that kind of thing. How's it going? Is it still? So that's worked. Okay, cool. We'll worry about that a bit later. Yeah, this defines our web searching tool, Serper, as giving it the variable name search tool. Next up, we're importing chat OpenAI. So now we've essentially imported all the functionality we need, set it all up so we can use APIs, that kind of thing. And now here is just a few lines of just assigning the agent's tasks. So the first agent is a researcher. So we've given them the role of customer assistant. His goal is to look up issues people are having with Google Drive. I picked Google Drive. Feel free to change it to whatever product you want to do research on. So I've given him the backstory of: you work in the customer team for Google Drive, and your job is to search the internet to find issues that people are having with the software, particularly sites like X and Reddit. It generally ends up searching Reddit because Reddit's just a little easier to Google, but you could import X and Reddit APIs to make it a little bit easier to search X or Twitter and Reddit. But yeah, we're doing it this way. Verbose equals true. That means it explains what it's doing, essentially. Allow delegation, false. Signed it, this variable here, search tool. So that's just telling it to use Serper to surf the internet. And here we're assigning this GPT model 3.5. There's newer GPT models, but it saves me credits, makes it a bit cheaper. And temperature essentially is creativity, basically. And so this researcher works in tandem with this writer. And so this one does all the research, and this one kind of writes it out in a simple way. And so then we're assigning searcher task 1. Oh yeah, let me just break down the writer. We've given him the role of content specialist. His goal is to craft content on issues with Google Drive. And I've told him he's a renowned content strategist known for his insightful, engaging content. Right. So our researcher is given this task. Task 1, description: conduct a comprehensive analysis of the latest issues found with Google Drive. Search Reddit and X for these issues. Expected output: full analysis report in bullet points. And then we're assigning it to the researcher agent. And then using the insights provided, write an article that highlights ideas for improvement that can be made to Google Drive. expected output, a blog post with at least 5 ideas, and that's being assigned to the writer agent. And then we're assembling them into a crew with 2 agents, the researcher and the writer, and 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. Let me just go through and run every line of code. Got to do this with Colab. It's a little bit irritating, but it's all right. And then here, we're kicking off the crew and the task, and then we're printing the results. So we've got the agent customer assistant. Scroll up. Conduct a comprehensive analysis of the latest issues found with Google Drive. Thought, I need to search the internet to find the latest issues people are having with Google Drive and Reddit and X. I will use the search the internet tool to gather this information. Search the internet. So it's Google's Google Drive latest issues site reddit.com. So it finds this Reddit. Why can Google Drive for desktop not reliably mirror my Google Drive to my computer on any PC? I manage several Google Workspace clients, and I have 2 with odd but similar issues for both the Google Drive. Oh, it's not showing us the whole thing, but we'll worry about that a bit later. Google Drive is randomly stopping, not working. Google Drive problem, experiencing multiple problems with Google Drive. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we'll get a blog post, hopefully, if it's worked. There we are. It's just written a very simple blog post. Let's copy that like I did last time. Let's copy this into like an online notepad so it's easier to read. Five ideas for improved reliability and functionality. In recent times, users across various platforms have reported encountering issues with Google Drive, ranging from reliability concerns to technical glitches, blah, blah, blah. So from those, it's printed the same thing twice. Let's get rid of all that. So from those Google Drive issues, it's kind of put a load of ideas of how Google Drive can be improved, essentially. So improved desktop syncing, that Google Drive is not reliably mirroring files to users' computers. Better stability and performance upgrades. Google Drive to focus on optimizing its platform to prevent random shutdowns. Enhanced upload process, users facing connection lost errors. Yeah, some of these are things that I've personally experienced with Google Drive. Transparent limit. Google's abrupt implementation of a 5 million items limit without prior warning causing inconvenience, I can imagine. Accessibility improvements. Acknowledging critical issues in Drive for screen reader users is essential for fostering inclusivity. So yeah, very simple to code this, and it is useful if, as I said earlier, you either have a product on the internet or you want to be the competition to a product and you want to find places where you can improve upon that product. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.